Hey, what's up guys? My name is Diamond and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do like a quick contour tutorial, I guess, or basically just how I do my face. As you can see, I've already done my eyeshadow and I've already done my eyebrows. So I'm really just going to finish off with my face. Today I'm going to start with my finishing spray. I usually start with my finishing spray just because I don't know, it adds moisture to my face. I already put my moisturizer on and everything, so I'm just going to start with my Morphe finishing spray. The first product that I'll be using is the e.l.f. Poreless, what is it? Putty primer. I'm going to be using that and just applying it to the areas where I feel like I shine the most, which is my nose, my face, well, over part of my face, underneath my eye. As you guys can see, like I have a lot of discoloration on my skin, so I use quite a bit of different products just to even out my skin color, but that's the putty primer. Now I'm going to apply my foundation. I use Fenty Beauty. The color is 450. And I'm just going to apply it to my forehead, my cheekbone, because that's where I have a lot of acne scars, and my chin, because my chin area is like darker than the rest of my face. Oh, and also my nose, just because it looks funny when I don't, so it bothers me. So I'm just gonna blend that in. It's as you can see, I'm leaving this area kind of untouched just because I'm already going to be adding concealer and other products there, so I don't really like the buildup on my face. But this is how the Fenty looks. I like it. I've been using Fenty for a while, so it doesn't really bother me. I think it fits the way that it should. I started using this before I told you what it was. I'm using a Maybelline's concealer. It's color 55. I really only use it on my nose and then above my cheekbones. So I'm just gonna apply that there. Okay, now I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is color, what? GC984 Toffee. And I'm just gonna apply that underneath my eye. Now I'm going to use the Black Opal True Color. And I'm just gonna apply it to the darker areas to my face, contouring my cheekbones, my jawline, and my forehead. And my nose. I cannot forget about my nose. So, time to blend. Okay, I look crazy, but this is what you look like after blending in your concealer. I'm going to take my blending brush and just tap in my concealer a little bit before I add my baking powder. I haven't touched my darker concealer because I just don't mess with it until I'm really done with my lighter concealer. So we're just gonna go ahead and blend that in. Okay, so now that I am done with blending, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me color, 35 baking powder or finishing powder, whatever, either one. And I'm going to apply it onto the lighter areas of my concealer so it can sit and bake. Okay, so while that is baking, I am going to touch up my eyebrows and add my bottom eyeshadow. So you can just see what I do there. So you guys can see my eyes. Now I am going to blend in all of my mess that I created.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
I'm going to take my e.l.f. Blush and I'm going to apply it to my cheekbones. Just add some color to my cheekbones. So I'm done with my blush. At this point, I really want to use like a highlighter type of effect. I don't own any highlighters, so I'm going to use the eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just going to use a gold eyeshadow just to give me some shine to this look. But yeah, I don't usually use them. I don't really like using highlighters that well because I don't like to be extra shiny. I already produce a lot of oils, so I don't know. It's just a thing for me, but I'm going to use it today for this look. So like I said, I just use the eyeshadow out of a palette if I do need the highlighter, and I'll just apply it to my cheekbones, my forehead, and my chin. But I probably will invest into a highlighter eventually. It just won't get a lot of usage. And then I'm gonna turn it down. Okay, so now that we've gotten past that, I'm going to start on my lips. In my previous video, I said I don't usually put things on my lips other than chapstick and lip gloss, but today I want to try this Black Opal lip gloss. It is a lip gloss. It's a matte lip gloss. It's Raisin Crush is the name of it. It's the first time I'm using Black Opal lipstick, so we'll see how that goes. I got it from Walmart. Yeah, I saw it at Walmart. I heard that Black Opal was a really good company. I used their foundation stick, so I think it's gonna be okay. It's a really dark purple, and I think it'll look good with this look, so let's just try it out. Okay, so I applied the lipstick. As you can see, it is very, very dark. I like dark colors, so I like it. I think it's cool. It's drying right now, so I don't really know how it's going to set. But I'll let you guys know. But yeah, this is the end of my concealer concealer tutorial, foundation tutorial. Just wanted to do my makeup and show you guys day. And here's the finishing product. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm going to show you guys up close and personal.
Soundstripe.
And we got this dark behind lipstick on my smile lines. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If there's anything else that you'd like to see, just let me know. DM me, reach out to me on my social platforms. And yeah, I had really fun creating this look. I have plenty more to come, and go ahead and like, subscribe, and share this video. And thank you guys for your support.